So this is the differential. If you want to take out these rings, you have here a safety lock. Pull it out, and then comes out everything from the BMW 1 Series E87. Same tool on the other side. Here is the safety. You have to pull it out, and then comes this out. And then you have to change all the bearings from here and from there. So remember, this one is here. You have to put a little pressure after you take the safety from behind. You take it down, and then comes out everything. This is a differential for BMW 1 Series, production year 2006, 180, 120. Makes a lot of noise, you can hear it. Must change everything. And now I'm gonna show you the other part, how to take off the right bearings.
Oprește.
E oprit.
Da.
Ia așa jos.
Oprește-mă. Cu panorama că...
Să știu, Levi, ce facem pe viitor.
Oprești? Sau mă opresc și eu.